Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. My first video of the year, and yeah, it was quite difficult to film. I don't know why. Lockdown got me moving a bit, yeah, but I got there at the end. I'm happy about that. So today I'm going to do another full face video, and the brand I decided to go for is Sleek Makeup. This was the first brand I ever used when I started makeup, so nice cute little throwback. Before we get into this video, I want to quickly plug you guys on my hair. Okay, this is so cute. I love this wig so much. It's become one of my faves. This is the Isee hair 4x4 lace closure wig. It is 150 density, which I absolutely love because I feel like it has the right amount of hair. It's not too little, not too much, just about right for this little head of mine. And it's 26 inches as well. It's nice and long and worth your money. It does not shed, guys, which is amazing. This hair came body wave, but I was able to hot comb and straighten it, and you're able to just style it however you like. And guys, we gotta get into the closures, okay? We need these edges 2021, baby. So this is a nice everyday wig. Just slap this on, slick this back if you want, like me, and you're good to go. It came in a cute little box which included some wig caps and instructions on how to maintain the hair, wash the hair, and just keep it for as long as possible, which I found really helpful. And their communication was excellent, especially with this whole pandemic. Everything is taking ages to come, but at least they communicate and just let you know what's going on. If you're interested in this wig, make sure you check my description box below. I'm gonna have all the information there, as well as everything in this video. So guys, let's get straight into the video.
Baby, throw it back. I know you messing with low lights. You know we run the show. She been single for her whole life. In the city, girl, she call it whole life. I'ma put you in your whole life. Maybe you gon' leave her that whole life. You gon' leave the whole life.
Since I didn't get a primer from Sleek, I'm gonna quickly use my L'Oreal mattifying primer. This is my absolute fave, and it's almost done. That ain't good. The first Sleek product I'm gonna be using is their eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. I absolutely love this eyebrow pencil. I'm yet to try gel, guys, so bear with me, but it's the pencil for me. I'm so sorry about my voice, guys, by the way. Like, my voice is terrible. I don't know what's happened. I've got some blocked nose right now and I hate it. Like, I've been sounding like this for like a week. I'm just gonna fill in my brows now.
You give me feels with your body, oh Angela. And every time it's a sensima. She wanna ride when she see my Benzema. Boss in my brain, you know. They for your body like a painkiller.
Now that the brows are filled in, we're going to conceal them with the Sleek Lifeproof concealer, and this is in the shade Creamy Cocoa, and this is how it looks like, guys. So pretty. And we're going to be using this to conceal around our brows. I just hate how this is so tiny and this is so big. Like, it just doesn't make sense, but hey, the colour looks cute. So I'm going to be using this brush from Amazon to conceal.
And everything you got, I need it. Baby, you best believe it. And everything you do, I seen it. And every time she run up on the team, I know that she won't come to.
And now that's done, I'm going to add some concealer on my eyelids. I'm just using the same brush. I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side.
Run up and romancing, Angela. Give me love when you're dancing, Angela. I know some nothing, Angela. Move right now. Angela, my sweet, sweet Angela.
So now that I've concealed my brows, I'm going to be using this brush just to blend everything out. Now that's done, we're going to set this concealer using the Sleek Face Form Baking and Setting Powder. and this is in the shade medium, and this is how it looks like. It's like a nice warm chestnutty color, which I love, love, love. I'm gonna be getting this same brush and dipping some in, tapping off the excess, and just applying that everywhere we put concealer.
You give me feels when you're dancing, Angela. Run up a romancing, Angela. Give me love when you're dancing, Angela. I know some bad thing, Angela. You give me feels with your body, oh, Angela. And every time it's a sensima. She wanna ride when she see my Benzema. Boss in my brain, you know. They for your body like a painkiller. Boss in my brain with your ace figure. Let me take your pain away and show you.
Before I put on the foundation, I'm just going to get the concealer quickly and just apply that around my mouth. Since it is slightly darker than the rest of my face and under my eyes as well. Guys, I make such a mess when I'm doing my makeup. Like, the setting powder just goes everywhere. Like, it's actually everywhere. Because I can't be bothered to get up and wear this beauty blender, I'm going to be using my Revolution Cherry Truffle setting spray. And I'm just gonna shake that up, and I'm just gonna blend that all out.
And every time she run up on the team, I know that she won't come to that show. I ain't always my your ways to the floor. Angela,
Hey, why am I so happy today? That's a good thing for a change, because lockdown got me fucked up. Like, my moods have been crazy. We thank God anyways, we are alive and breathing. Purr. Now that's done, we're going to be going in the foundation, my favourite bit. And we're going to be using the Sleek Lifeproof foundation in the shade LP21. And this is how it looks like. It's medium to full coverage, sweat proof and oil free. To me, this is a light foundation. Like, if I'm going for a light makeup look, I don't want anything too heavy, this is the foundation for you. Just one layer, it does the job, that's it. Because yeah, full coverage, I can't lie, you're gonna be applying layers. There's no point. You might as well just get a full coverage foundation, in my opinion, but each to their own. Let me just apply this. Let me stop the chit chat them. I'm just gonna, oh bitch, great. Oh my god, if you see what I just did, guys, fantastic job. This is how my 2021 is going, by the way. To blend this out, I'll be using my Expert Face Brush by Raw Techniques, and I'm just gonna get this product going. So this is the foundation blended out, and as you can see, it's a good match to my neck, which I absolutely love. It does give me natural vibes, natural glowy sort of foundation. Yeah, this is something I would use in summer when I'm not really trying to have a full-on beat but I want makeup on my face, something nice and light. This is it, because it feels like I've got nothing on. I like this. Yeah, I'm gonna save this one for summer, I cannot lie. Then now we're gonna move on to concealer, and I'll be using the same concealer again, and I'm gonna apply this under my eyes.
You can fuse with your body, oh. Take your time with your body, oh. You give me sweet wine with your body, oh. Drop it low with your body, oh. You give me feels when you're dancing.
I'm using my beauty blender again. I'm gonna wet it a bit more, and I'm just gonna blend that out, starting from the bottom.
And everything you got, I need it. Baby, you best believe it. And everything you do, I seen it. Oh, no, no, no. And every time she run up on the team, I know that she won't come to that show. I ain't always find your ways to the floor. Angela, Vicabana, I'm all young.
Next I'm going to get the setting powder again, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender this time and just dip that in, tap off the excess, and just apply that everywhere we put concealer.
You give me feels when you're dancing, Angela. Run up and romancing, Angela. Give me love when you're dancing, Angela. I know some nothing, Angela. Oh, what a face, Angela. My sweet, sweet Angela. Oh, what a face, Angela. My sweet, sweet Angela. Dolce Gabbana, y'a rien pour toi, nana. Dolce Gabbana, chérie, y'a rien pour toi. Angela, mon feu.
So now that our face is set, I'll be using the Sleek Cream Contour Kit to contour, and this is in extra dark, and this is how it looks like. I'll be using the darkest shade. Yes, just putting my expert face brush all up in there, and I'm just going to apply that along my cheekbone. Now I'm going to get my Sleek Face Form Kit in the shade Dark, and this is how it looks like. And I'm going to use their darkest shade and just go over that contour. Now that's done, I'm going to be using this shade to just bronze up a little bit and smile.
You give me feels with your body, oh. Take your time with your body, oh. You give me sweet wine with your body, oh. Drop it low with your body, oh. You give me feels when you're dancing, Angela. Run up and romancing, Angela. Give me love when you're dancing, Angela. I know some nothing, Angela. You give me feels.
I'm just gonna get this brush again and just use this to put some highlight under my brows as well.
Boss in my brain, you know. Live for your body like a painkiller. Boss in my brain with your ace figure. Let me take your pain out.
Now that's done, I'm going back in again with our eyes, and I'll be using the Sleek Dip It eyeliner in black. But I'm gonna try and apply a thin line because I haven't done eyeliner in ages. So wish me luck, guys. Oh Jesus.
Take your time with your body, oh. You give me sweet wine with your body, oh. Drop it low with your body, oh. You give me feels when you're dancing, Angela. Run up and romancing, Angela. Give me love when you're dancing, Angela. I know some nothing, Angela. And everything you got, I need it. Baby, you best believe it. And everything you do, I seen it. Oh, no, no, no. And every time she run up on the team, run up on the...
I'm so happy that came out okay. I'm so happy, guys, that I was thinking, you know, if this goes left, I'm gonna have to start this whole video again, and I'm not doing that. So should I do a wing, guys? Should I do a wing? I'm feeling cheeky. I'm feeling really cheeky. You know what? A baby wing won't hurt. Oh, this is how shit goes left when you're doing makeup.
You give me feels when you're dancing, Angela. Run up and romancing, Angela.
You know what, guys? I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. This is what happens when you do too much. Oh, fuck. Okay, you know what? Let me just do the other side. Let me... my eyeliner was pissing me off, so I just thought, you know what? Let me just put my eyelashes and boom. The eyelashes saved the day, okay? You know what, yeah, usually I will edit out bits that are just, yeah, that just went left, or I'll just start the whole video again. But this time, I'm gonna keep that in so you guys know, yeah, not everything is all great and good. Me too, I have fuck-ups a lot actually, because, yeah, I'm just a nonsense. I actually had a Sleek lip liner, but I don't know where it went. I think I left it on holiday. This is the problem with me, yeah. I buy stuff for a video and then they always go walking away somewhere that I don't understand. Where did it go? I don't know. But anyways, let's stop the jabber jabber. Then I'm gonna line my lips. I'm going to quickly use this pink lip gloss. This is not from Sleek, just to finish the look.
You can fuse with your body, oh. Take your time, your body, oh.
So guys, this is the finished look. I love this. This is nice. I didn't expect it to come out like this, I cannot lie. The eyeliner just threw me off. Everything just threw me off today. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I think all the products from Sleek are amazing. I actually like everything. Also guys, I'm going to plug you with my eyelashes real quick. These are amazing. I absolutely love these. And these are from Eyelashes Princess. So you can find her there. And it comes in this cute little box. And inside I have 2 pairs of eyelashes, and for this one it came in this cute box. And it also came with an eyeliner which can be used as a glue to glue down your eyelashes as well. 2-in-1 baby. So make sure you check out our lashes guys, because I know you guys always ask me where do I get my lashes from. This is one of the places guys. Look at this. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. So yeah, as I said, Eyelashes Princess. I'll leave this below as well. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. It's more life ting each and every time. Okay?